before we begin, let's review the basic tool list we'll use to install all of our custom and performance products on this DVD. We'll need extensions, both 3/8 and 1/4" drive. We'll also need ratchets, 3/8, 1/4" drive. You'll need an assortment of sockets, both 6-point, 12-point, SAE, and metric. You'll need adapters. You'll need Torx bits in a socket style, also Allen bits to fit your ratchets. You'll need Torx hand-driven. You'll need nut drivers. You'll need Allen wrenches, Allen bits, symmetric ratchet-style Allens, also long shank, standard Allens, long shank ball Allens. You'll need electrical tape, wire brush, solder, and shrink. You'll need an assortment of connectors and pins, our flexible measuring wire, tape measure. You'll need some specialty Jim's tools for the front fork. You'll also need impact sockets. You'll need torque wrenches, both inch and foot-pounds. You'll also need a razor knife. You'll need picks, 90-degree and straight. You'll need an assortment of screwdrivers, both straight and Phillips, in long and short. You'll need a marker, a magnet, an assortment of tie wraps. You'll need a tool to lock the primary chain. You'll need a driver tool and race inserts. You'll need drill bits. You'll need taps and tap holders. You'll also need plugs when you remove your fuel lines from the fuel tank. You'll need an assortment of vise grips, retaining ring pliers, fuel line pinch pliers. You'll need standard pliers, cutters, in an assortment of long and short. You'll need flange retaining ring pliers. You'll need a set of stepless clamping pliers. You'll also need an assortment of T-handled Allens. You'll need wire strippers. You'll need wire pin connector crimpers. You'll also need an assortment of wrenches, both standard and metric. Don't forget, you'll need line wrenches whenever you're working on brake components. You'll need safety glasses. You'll need vice grip C-clamps. You'll need wooden blocks to block up your fuel tank. You'll also need an assortment of hammers, ball peen, rubber, and steel. You'll need a drill. What I have laid out on the table is the majority of the tools you'll need. These are the tools I prefer to work with. You may find tools you prefer to work with better. Use what you're comfortable with. If you don't already own the tool, see if you can rent it, borrow it, or you'll have to buy it outright. You will need certain specialty tools in order to perform some of the procedures shown. The most important tool you will need is a factory service manual, factory parts books, and instructions and tuning guides that come with each and every custom or performance product.